Hey guys, SoundKiller. Today I will be unboxing and giving a quick review on the Komplete Kontrol A Series 25 key MIDI controller by Native Instruments. So, let's get started. Oh guys, you're really gonna like this. Komplete Kontrol. A beautiful, complete keyboard. The A25, as the name implies, is a 25 key version of the A series line. The build quality of this keyboard is phenomenal. It is very solidly built, it is very stable and has a very nice weight and feels very nice and sturdy. Macros have a very nice texture, very soft feel when moving them. The mod and pitch wheel are amazing. Very solid, big wheels with no wobble, stable and precise. The keyboard itself is a velocity-sensitive semi-weighted keys, so it opens the possibility to have a huge array of melodies with key sensitivity integrated. Since it is a 25 key MIDI keyboard, it has a octave up and down button to easily switch between the key range. This keyboard works best with native instrument software like Komplete Kontrol, Machine, Contact, Creator, as it was designed to. This product was designed to work with the software integrity is to work with its native instrument ecosystem. If you do own Logic or Ableton, you're in luck because most of the transport controls and features, the extra buttons mentioned, work with the DAW. One thing to note for FL Studio users, however, to this day there is no transfer function integrated yet. Hopefully in the near future, Native Instrument pushes a update that adds these features to FL Studio. On the bright side, you can MIDI route the macros with the FL Studio routing system, so you can route all the 8 macros on the pitch mod wheel, and you can still have the fully sensitive semi-weighted keys to work with in FL Studio, so you aren't really losing it much. For the price, only costing $160, the keyboard is well worth it. It is very well built, so it will last you a very long time. It has many creative features like the macros and mod wheel to improve your music production and composition, and it comes bundled with some great software instruments like the Grandeur piano and some Reactor synths and all that. So if you're planning on buying a MIDI keyboard, the Komplete Kontrol A series is a great buy, and it will work fantastic ranging with a variety of key sizes, 25 keys, 49 keys or 61 keys. So what do you guys think about this keyboard? Comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching and until next time.